So these are the system requirements needed to run Windows 11 on a PC or laptop. But what if your PC doesn't meet all these specifications? How can you install and run Windows 11? Well, don't worry, I'm here to help you. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to perform a clean installation of Windows 11 on legacy BIOS PC or any unsupported hardware with 100% working updates. This tutorial will help you to install Windows 11 on any unsupported PC or laptop that lacks supported CPU, TPM, or secure boot. So watch the video to learn more. Now, as you can see, this is my 12-year-old PC running Windows 11 in legacy BIOS mode. Windows 11 runs very smoothly on my PC and I can use it as my daily driver without any issues. Now, this guy will work for both legacy BIOS and UEFI systems. That being said, let's start installing Windows 11. The only requirements of this video, you need an 8 gigs or higher USB pen drive and a computer running Windows 10 or 11 to create a bootable USB with Windows 11. Then open your favorite browser and navigate to the first link to download the Windows 11 ISO. Once you have the Windows 11 ISO, go to the second link and download RUFUS. Now open RUFUS and connect a USB pen drive to your computer. Select your USB drive. Set the boot selection to disk or ISO image and click on select to import Windows 11 ISO. If your computer supports UEFI boot mode but lacks TPM 2.0 or secure boot, choose the partition scheme as GPT and the target system as UEFI. You can verify the BIOS mode by running a command. In my case, my PC is running in legacy BIOS mode with an MBR partition scheme. Therefore, I will change the partition scheme to MBR and the target system to BIOS or UEFI. Leave the other options as default and click on Start. Since we are installing Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, we need to tweak the installation setup. Enable the first two options to remove the requirements of 4GB RAM, secure boot, and TPM 2.0. It's better to disable the last two options to skip privacy questions and disable BitLocker encryption. Once it's done, click on OK to start making Windows 11 bootable USB. It may take some time depending on the writing speeds of your pen drive, so please be patient. Once it's done, go ahead and reboot your computer. While it's rebooting, continuously press the keyboard shortcut to boot into boot menu. This could be F9, F10, or Escape key depending on your computer's manufacturer. Under the boot menu, look for the boot device that says USB and the name of the drive. Select it and press Enter key to boot the Windows 11 installer. Once you are inside the Windows 11 setup, press the function key along with the Shift and F10 keys to open a command prompt. It's time to format your hard drive or SSD to install Windows 11. To do so, type diskpart in the command prompt, then type disutil list to see the list of drives connected to your PC. In my case, it's showing two drives. Drive 0 is the main internal drive. Drive 1 is the USB drive that is currently serving as the Windows 11 installer. Select the drive where you want to install Windows 11. I'm going to choose drive 0 by typing this command. Then type clean to erase the drive. Now you need to set up a partition scheme for the hard drive. If your PC running in UEFI boot mode, use GPT. If your PC is running in legacy BIOS mode like mine, choose MBR. Simply type convert MBR or GPT. That's it. Now close the command prompt. Click on Next and choose Install Now to begin the Windows 11 installation. Select the Windows 11 edition and click on Next. Select the unallocated free space, click on New to create a Windows 11 partition. Select the main partition and click on Next to start installing Windows 11. It will take some time depending on the read and write speeds of your drives. Once Windows 11 is installed, your system will restart automatically. When the screen goes black, eject the USB drive. Wait for some time to see the welcome screen of Windows 11. Once the welcome screen appears, disconnect your computer from accessing the internet connection and complete the setup of Windows 11. When you're inside Windows 11 desktop, you can reconnect to the internet. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Windows 11 on Unsupported PC. I'm going to quickly set up Nvidia drivers on my PC to fix the graphic related issues. Now open Settings, select Windows 11 Update and click on Check for Updates. Voila, you will see that the updates are working perfectly without any issues. That's pretty much it, guys. If you have any doubts or questions, do let me know in the comment section down below. For more information, check the description on my website. Thanks for watching my video. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.